The question of whether autonomous vehicles are safer than human drivers has moved from theory to measurable reality, and Waymo is at the center of that debate. Based on publicly released safety data, Waymo's self-driving cars are now outperforming human drivers in several critical crash categories, at least within the environments they are designed to operate in. According to Waymo's 2024 safety reports, its autonomous vehicles experienced 84% fewer crashes, involving airbag deployment, 73% fewer injury-related crashes, and 48% fewer police-reported crashes, compared to human drivers traveling the same roads in the same cities. These aren't simulations. They're real-world, miles driven in dense urban environments like Phoenix and San Francisco. Independent research further strengthens the case. Waymo vehicles recorded approximately 0.6 injury incidents per million miles driven, compared to 2.8 injury incidents per million miles for human drivers. That represents nearly an 80% reduction in injury-related events, a massive gap when scaled across millions of miles and thousands of vehicles. The reason behind this difference is consistency. Waymo vehicles don't speed, don't drive distracted, don't drive fatigued, and don't make emotional decisions. Their systems are constantly scanning in all directions, reacting in milliseconds and following traffic laws exactly as programmed. Human error, which accounts for over 90% of traffic accidents, is largely removed from the equation. However, these results come with important limitations. Waymo's safety advantage is currently proven only within tightly controlled operating zones. The vehicles rely on highly detailed maps, predictable road conditions, and environments without extreme weather. Snow, heavy rain, rural roads, construction zones, and unmapped regions still pose challenges. Waymo is not yet designed for universal deployment. This distinction matters. Waymo isn't claiming autonomous vehicles are safer everywhere, only that within their defined environments, they already outperform human drivers by a wide margin. That makes Waymo less of a replacement for all drivers and more of a specialized transportation system optimized for urban mobility. The bigger implication is scale. If autonomous systems like Waymo continue improving and expand safely into new environments, the long-term impact could be profound. Fewer injuries, fewer deaths, lower insurance costs, and fundamentally safer roads. The data suggests a clear conclusion. In controlled urban zones, Waymo vehicles are significantly safer than human drivers. The remaining question isn't whether the technology works, it's how fast society is willing to adapt to it.